Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a hot 2 months. Sorry, there's probably a lot going on in the background. I have my dishwasher going on, the air conditioning going on. It's a mess. But I haven't recorded a video in like 2 months now, and I don't even know. Like, honestly, last month it was just hectic. My son had surgery and all that stuff, and I was just kind of stressed out with this baby. Yeah, I haven't given birth yet. My due date is the 11th of this month, so literally baby could come anytime now, and I'm just sitting here home waiting. I am on maternity leave now, so that's pretty much the only reason why I'm really recording. I have a little bit of time on my hands now, and yeah, that is the truth. I've just been really busy with life, and recording videos hasn't really been on my mind. But now that I am on maternity leave and I have all the time in the world except for when my kids are acting psycho. Yeah, I know, I always do like these weird intros. But today's video, as you can tell from the title, is an influencer. It's not an unboxing, it's more so just showing you guys what I got. So let's just jump right into this video. Alright, so this is the box. Every Voxbox they do, like, if it's not like a brand Voxbox, they usually come in this orange packaging. So I'm just going to open it up and show you guys what is inside. Oh, I almost dropped everything. So, I will be doing a video probably at the end of this month to let you guys know everything, like all my thoughts on this Voxbox. But what they sent me is the StudyBreak Voxbox. It came with 5 sample products. One of them, I believe, is full size. So the full size one my husband actually used. He was like super duper excited to use this. So this is the Hello activated charcoal with fresh mint and coconut oil. It's just a charcoal toothpaste. We've never tried these before, but this is what it looks like. He tried it already and he absolutely loves it. Every day he'll be like, where did you put the toothpaste? Because I keep putting it back in the box so I can show you guys what I got. But yeah, he's been loving it so far. So far we do see a little bit of a difference with his teeth being whiter. So yeah, I will be testing it out now that I am recording this video. So stay tuned at the end of the month to see if I liked it, if I didn't, if we're going to continue to use it, or if we're not. It tells you on the back here how much it is. So this is only $5.99, so that's pretty inexpensive. So I believe you can get it at Target too. So if you're looking for a new toothpaste, go get one. The next thing they sent me were mini gum and then this little pouch. I don't know. But this is the Trident Vibes Gum in the flavor Ooh La Lemon. I'm obsessed with gum, but I was really hoping I was going to get the mint ones, but they sent me lemon. That's fine. I like mint more. I love mint. My purse is over there. I will show you guys the gum that I always get. It's like the big pack. It's the extra. It's the brand Extra. It's the spearmint one, the green one, and it's like this big, like a cardboard box. Stock note thing, something like that. Anyways, I'm just rambling on now. So they sent me 2 little sample gums for me to try, and they're $2.95 for a whole pack, I guess. The next thing here is the brand 7th Heaven, and this is a coconut and clay peel off mask. I've been trying to get into skincare because right now, like being so close to my due date, everything is just all over the place, and like I'm breaking out like crazy. You can't really see, but I had a pimple here, I had one here, I had one here that I just kept picking at it, and then I'm growing one right here, but I'm trying not to touch it. I'm trying to just leave it and let it do its own thing. So yeah, if you guys have any good skincare recommendations, let me know down in the comments too, by the way. But this is a deep pore cleansing easy peel mask. Can't wait to try this. I've been really into skincare and masks, as I said earlier. And this little pouch is $1.99. So the last thing they sent is the brand Hair Food. This is a moisture, I'm gonna read off the card. This is a moisture shampoo and conditioner infused with honey and apricot fragrance. So this little sample packet is $1.99. I've been really loving the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day, just the Living Proof brand in general. I've been loving their hair care, and so I will give this a shot. I mean, this is only probably like 3 uses, so I'll give this a shot to see if it's on par with my Living Proof shampoo and conditioner or not. And then they did give me a free Trident Vibes Gum coupon for Target. So that is everything that came in this box. Now it's just the empty tissue. Yeah, if you don't know what Influenster is, I will leave my video that explains everything of Influencer down in the description box for you guys to check out if you want to. If you haven't signed up for Influenster, go ahead and sign up. I will also leave their link down below too. And I think that is it for this video. I will see you guys next time. I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, bye.